Okay, to my Catawba Trail Farm family, this is our inaugural Gardener of the Month. We celebrate, and Anne Atwell is our first Gardener of the Month here at Catawba Trail Farm. She is always busy. She is out here every day, and she is just growing things wonderfully and always thinking about what can she put in this garden, or what can bring in butterflies, or what can bring in more bees. So Anne, it is our honor.
Thank you. I'm gonna put this in a frame.
Oh,
That is really
okay, and we will post it for the month. So this is our inaugural month for the month of June. Every month from this point forward, we will be honoring a Gardener of the Month. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.